You're searching for how to buy shares of Regencell Bioscience Holdings Ltd. It is a biotechnology company focused on regenerative medicine, listed on NASDAQ under the ticker RGC. This is an educational overview, not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the steps. After registering, you'll verify your account, usually with an ID, and you must add funds before placing an order. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker RGC to find the listing. Select the result that matches Regencell Bioscience Holdings Ltd. to ensure it's the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and a price chart for context. Confirm the name and ticker read Regencell Bioscience Holdings Ltd. RGC before proceeding. Tap Investor Buy, enter the amount you want to allocate, then review the order settings and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or set as a limit order, and the platform will prompt you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. After the trade executes, your position will appear in your portfolio dashboard. For convenience, I left an eToro link in the description.